And we in Birmingham Airport, finna head to Atlanta. Travel with us. Y'all, we just landed in Atlanta. I ain't gonna lie, I don't remember that flight at all. I went to sleep before it took off, and I thought something was happening because the plane started shaking. We was landed though. But now we finna probably go help her find something to eat and find our gate because our flight don't leave until 11. Something is 8:50. But we also finna go to the lounge. So hold on. Alright y'all. We in one of the lounges in the airport. We got some mimosas. And I got some parfait yogurt. And some fruit, but I already ate it. We got one more flight. It's 9:16. Our next flight not until... What time my next flight? Nope, 10:21. She's gonna miss her flight. But alright, y'all.
You should put it on.
1, 2, 3. So, what you got? Well, alright, y'all. So, the lounge I'm in, we have access to complimentary drinks. That's fine. But complimentary drinks. So, Janaya is on her second one. She got a cranberry mimosa, and I didn't really care which one I had, but I got a cranberry mimosa as well. What kind you got? Blood orange. Blood orange mimosa. Can I try some? I don't care. Sheesh. But yeah, you're not gonna sauce it. She's trying to. They do what?
They put a lot more champagne in this one.
Yeah, she's trying to get lit. Now let me remind y'all, it is 9:24. 9:24 in the morning.
It's before you. It's 5 o'clock.
I did try to put something on my stomach with the yogurt and the fruit. She ain't ate nothing. Bean ate muffins. Oh yeah. Thank you. I'm gonna try to eat this. I'm gonna grab that. Yes. I need that fork. No. Show them what you're doing.
The beat, man. It's the beat in here.
But yeah. That's what it is. Like I said, it is 9:25 in the morning. And they did offer like gin and juice in here at this time. So it's dangerous. But it is 5 o'clock somewhere. And
This music is good.
Yeah, right. Well, I'm gonna get y'all some more, you know, record some more along the way. So, she's on her third one. I'm gonna need you to do what you just did. Do it again.
No.
She's on her third mimosa. But it's okay, y'all. It's complimentary, so. Yeah, I'm on my second one. I got a cranberry mimosa the first time. This one is a cranberry pineapple. Someone steals on the first one. But, yeah, these ain't no joke. These ain't no joke. It's 9:35.
Y'all, they couldn't know about this.
I'm so crazy that this lounge is like, they got like a hell of a menu, like gin, vodka, Henny. She's playing. I don't know, she on her. Damn, she just spit it. She just spit it.
Spit it? That's not a word.
No, she just.
No. Let me tell you, I was on the phone with Bob this morning. He was telling me about their trip when they went out of town. How my mama almost got swept up in the rip current. He's talking about something, but I saved her. I swole over there. I said swole. He said, I mean swam. Swole.
Yeah, loud. But no, I just want to let y'all know she on her What number yours? 4-8. My maid, I like that judge tonight because she gets it down at 8. She didn't even let us.
All right.
Bro. Oh no.
Come on, your turn.
Nah, I'm good. But I'm finna the shot and then I'm finna go and
I'm sorry, I did that wrong.
I'm finna get a shot and then we finna go because I flight board at what time?
You not gonna finish that?
I am. I'm gonna go get a shot too. But my flight board at like 10:21. It's 9:52. And yeah, I'm using the back camera right now, so I know people looking at me like, I don't care. I'm tipsy. Yeah, y'all. I'm finna go finish my drink, get a shot, and then we're leaving. I'm definitely a little feeling good. But what else I'm gonna say? I don't know. Oh yeah, our flight leave at 10:21. Well, it boards at 10:21. We probably won't be boarding till like 10:40. And right now it's 9:52. My phone, youngin. Fine.
I just give us
Girl, no, you're not even in the camera.
My pedals.
where y'all going?
I didn't forgot. I didn't even know people serve liquor this early.
Yeah, they be in here at 6. Did anybody want lime or orange?
Yes, I want lime.
If you want lime or orange.
Yes,
okay.
I want lime.
I'll take one.
Yeah, you'll take a little lime.
Alright, water boy. Alright, water boy. I think you should take a
Let
shot.
me get it. Thank you.
Your brother did that.
I changed my rider to the flip.
You've got already heard.
Who uses Snapchat that much? Well, y'all not peeping it. This girl ought to set the ring camera up on there. Like, scoot it. Try that again. That was good. Hold on.
Come on now. You can finish your shot.
You got the most important part. Get away from that.
Yes. Oh my God. Yes.
Cherokee County. You go from $2,000 a year to $300 a year.
You all around? Exactly.
Well, it was. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. That was smooth, but that's finna push me over the edge for sure. For sure. Right now, y'all, we on the international terminal in Atlanta airport. We went to this lounge right here. If y'all go, I don't even remember their names. I didn't even get no names, but I did tip them. Club ATL. Club ATL. The weather is looking a little funny outside, but hopefully they don't delay our flight, because they did delay our flight, but they pushed it up after they delayed it. So I guess they're just trying to get us out of here earlier. Look at the Pete's in the back. Why are you playing on the Escalade? No. You good? Janai, I'm recording you. I'm gonna show that. You're right. See, y'all. I don't know. We lit. It's 5 o'clock somewhere though. What the fuck are you doing? I'm putting that in there too. Stop. Yeah, she's tweaking. I'm gonna smack her. Why are you fighting me? This is why you don't get her liquor. I'm just trying to understand.
What's wrong with her?
It's that liquor. Oh.
There you go.
That liquor is winning 10-0 right now. Eating her 10-2 right now. And the crazy thing is, She not even on our flight. She on a flight by herself. So let's just hope and pray she make it on her flight. Why does she got sunglasses on in the airport?
Okay.
Why you got sunglasses on?
It's an unwritten rule. Anytime you lit, anytime you got liquor, anytime you feel buzzed, put your shades on because that's activating. That's activating. It's activating. Activating what? That time. I ain't gonna say demon time, but it's activating. And I get active when he's on.
Activating what? I'm trying to have an interview here with you.
I'm activating a good time. Like, you can have a good time sober, yes, but that's lame. Like, if you want to really have a good time, don't be sober. Like, you need to four mimosas in and one shot of tequila, and I feel great. I could accomplish anything. I could write an essay right now.
You're playing by yourself?
Show me where that is. Yes. Like at the same time.
Oh, what's up?
I was trying to get that back on. You weren't supposed to see that.
Why are you playing? It's over, y'all.